So in this video, we're going to be looking at the layout error that could, I think it's kind of common, so it could pop up for you. I'm going to be explaining just exactly what's going on and also show you how to fix it. So you can see right here, I just tried to load into a project and it pops up. And if you hit load default, it acts like that, nothing happens. If you hit this, same deal, just kind of like a stuck loop. And so I'm going to explain to you what's going on and also how to fix it. So keep watching. So the first step is after you've gotten the error message, so I'll just load up Unity like this, Unity Hub, and this is the project right here. You see here now, once it loads up, I get this error message. So first thing you're gonna do is actually you're going to close this. Just go ahead and hit quit, and then nothing happens. The reason this is happening is that the layout file, the default layout file for this project, is kind of like clashing with the Unity and the Unity version that you have installed. So this could have been someone working on maybe 2 or 3 screens, and they took the game screen and put it on one screen. So they customized the layout for their to work efficiently, and then your version of Unity or your computer does not like recognize that layout. So you just got to kind of like set that project layout back to default, and then once you're in it, you can go ahead and move things around again. So to do this, you're going to want to go into the app data folder, app data. And so to get into that is usually just your local C drive, and then you go to user, find your username, right? And then inside here is an app data folder, but the folder is hidden by default. So what you could do is type that /, and then just write app with capital A, and then data with a capital D, and press enter, and boom, you're in that folder. Another way to get into this folder though is simply by going to start, type run. Once the run command pops up, feel free to just type app data in here, and it can be all lowercase, and press OK, and boom, it opens up that folder for you as well. So what you want to do is actually go into this to find the Unity default layout and kind of like make a copy of the codes in that default file. So once you're in here, you can just go to Unity, and then the editor dash whatever number for you, preference, layouts, and then default, and then here are the various layouts that is within your Unity settings. If you ever go inside that settings and you go to layout, these are all of them. And so you can choose the default one, or actually any one you want. And for you, when you click on it, it might ask you this might pop up, and so you just choose more apps and just find Notepad. Right, you open it up with Notepad, and you're not going to do anything with this code except highlight all of them. So I'll just hit Control A, so highlight all of the code and just copy it, and then you can actually close that down. You don't even need it. Okay, so that is the code that lays Unity out in the default layout. And so in your project, if you can make it to your project folder now, a good way, an easy way to get to that project folder in case you forgot where you saved it, so open up back up the Unity Hub, click on the 3 little dots here in this corner, and say Show in Explorer. Now here we are in the project settings. So just go into the project settings, into your project folder, and then go into the library folder. And then in here you'll see that you already have a current layout dash default. That is what's causing the problem. So do the same thing, open it with Notepad, right click on it. It's not going to look like a Notepad unless you've done it at least once already. For me, I've done it once already, so I can just double click on it. And you can see that this is what this code looks like, and this is the main issue. So if you highlight all of that and delete it, what you could do is just paste now the default layout and then hit save, right? So this is the current layout dash default that's trying to load each time you click on the project, but something's not sitting right with Unity, and therefore you're unable to load that project. That's what's causing that error. It's just the layout. It's probably from an older version of Unity, and things got really moved around, and so this version that you're trying to load it into is like, I don't understand. I don't understand what you're trying to, what you want me to do. And so by doing this, save it. Now if I just go ahead and head over to Unity Hub again, and now I will try to open my project. It's thinking, and now it should work. Oh, I'm getting really blurry here. And now it should work for me and for you guys. With that, my friends, it did open. It's on my other screen. Here it is. With that, though, my friends, I want to wish you guys a wonderful, wonderful holidays, because that's really right around the corner of the time that I'm making this video. And hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.